So I'm on Pixel Studio. This is the image I'm going to use. So now let's add an adjustment layer. So left click here and then let's select recolor. And now I'm just going to select the color for now I want. So let's say we'll be able to change it later. So now for example, I'm going to select this one here. I will increase the saturation all the way up. And now I'm just going to click on the X here to exit. And now I'm going to add the mask layer here to the recolor adjustment. Left click here on the mask layer. And now as you can see, the mask layer is selected. Right click on it and then invert the mask. So on the mask layer, the black represents transparency and the white opacity. So now as you can see, the mask layer is black. And now I just need to paint with white on the areas here to reveal the recolor adjustment. So now let's select the brush tool, the paintbrush tool, left click. So now I'm going to go to the brushes tab, left click here. If you don't have it here, just go to window, general, and then check the brushes. I'm going to use the round brush 32. Let's go back to the layers tab and now select the navigator here. I'm going to zoom in. I'm just going to move the slider to the right like this. So here are the settings I'm using. The size of the brush is 100, opacity 100. So if I click on more, so here are settings. The hardness is 5%, the space is 7%, the flow is 30%. So now I'm just going to paint on the mask layer with white. So select the mask layer, this one here. I'm going to change the color to white. And then here I'm just going to paint. So now I don't want to change the color of the white here. I'm just going to remove some of the parts here. So I'm just going to change the paintbrush color to black. So I'm going to left click here and then drag. So here it is. Now it is black. Make sure on the mask layer. And now I'm just going to paint like this. You can also, for example, decrease the size of the brush. I'm just going to leave it here and then just paint on the edge. So if you made a mistake, Ctrl Z to undo. So now I'm just going to zoom in here on the navigator. I'm just going to go down. So I think I'm going to leave it here. Now double click here on the percentage here. I'm just going to bring it to 64. And now here, if I select the adjustment layer, left click on it. So now I can change the hue here to change the color. So now you can also change the blend mode. If I left click here, so let's say I'm going to change it to hard light. Decrease the saturation. So this is the lightness. I'm just going to decrease it here like this. So now I'm just going to leave it here. As you can see, if I change the blend mode on the adjustment layer, the recolor adjustment layer, if I exit, so here it is. Now it is hard light. And now here you can also change the opacity. So now, for example, let's see the before and after. I'm just going to zoom in. So now I'm just going to left click. I'm going to change it to a blue color, this one here. There is a little bit saturation.